Good morning, my name is Stuart Mercer from PSD Grounds Care, and today I would like to introduce to you the Major 4S shredder. The ELIET green waste shredders are designed for handling all types of material, particularly green waste, but will also handle branches. This machine will handle branches up to a maximum of 55 mil or 2.2 inches. It's equipped with a 9 horsepower Honda commercial GX engine and is very simple in its use. It's simply a push-pull machine, no hydraulic features on the machine. It's very basic, very simple, but does the job efficiently. Within the cutting chamber, the Major 4S has 20 cutting blades, which throws the material across the cutting chamber many times to create a very fine shred, which is absolutely perfect for composting, as opposed to the denser chips that wood chippers produce, which will take far longer to decompose. Once the material has been shredded, it is then thrown into the hopper at the side of the machine, which contains the fan, and the fan then expels the material out through the top of the chute, which has got a knob at the side here where we can angle the deflector plate so as to put the material exactly where you want it, whether that be into a dumpy bag, back under the hedge, into a wheelbarrow or dustbin. The blades operate in a different way to a conventional chipper by cutting with the grain of the wood as opposed to across it, which is much more efficient, takes less power and creates less noise. The Infeed Hopper on the machine has a very wide opening and is the same width all the way down to the blades, so it can accommodate the widest or the most awkward of branches. The machine is also fitted with a rubber flap, which helps to protect any material that may fly back towards the operator, but of course we always recommend full safety gear when operating this equipment. For further operator protection, enclosed within this cover is a safety switch, so if the cover is not fitted or not fitted correctly, the machine will not start. The blades can be sharpened in situ via a whetstone or a small angle grinder, and to aid this we can fit this handle that comes with the machine onto the shaft that holds the blades and can manually turn the blades for clearing purposes or for sharpening. A further safety switch is located at the back of the machine above the feed-in hopper, and once pressed forwards will stop the engine. Just to summarise, the machine is fitted with a 9 horsepower commercial Honda GX engine recoil start and will accept material up to a maximum of 55 millimeters or 2.2 inches. This is a fantastic strong little machine, very compact. Access is great for back gardens, for awkward areas around the garden, and for use by domestic people, and also for commercial use as well for smaller landscaping jobs.